Pete at Bike Friday. Thanks for joining us today. I know some of you are experiencing a polar vortex around the U.S., so hopefully you're staying warm. Wanted to give you some of the highlights today of our two tandem models. We have the Tuesday tandem that folds. We have the family tandem that does not. Both tandems will actually disassemble with collar clamps around the tubing to be able to pack into the suitcase. So they both pack into the suitcase, the same process, same amount of time. They both have the exact same geometry, so they ride the same. Again, family tandem, Tuesday tandem. This one folds, this one doesn't. They both disassemble the same. This one happens to have an electric assist upgrade on it, kind of nice. Something you can add later if needed, as you can with all of our bikes. A couple other things is that while these do both pack into the suitcase, this would be primarily for somebody who's going to have the tandem in their custody the majority of the time. Buses, trains, subway, elevators, taxis, just about back of your car, whatever. This is more of something that you can still do those things, but it's probably going to take you about 15 to 20 minutes to kind of separate everything. You don't have to take the timing chain off when you fold it up. This one, it doesn't fold. You do have to take the timing chain off if you want to get minimal disassembly. So putting this in the back of a car, 15, 20 minutes, chain comes off. A lot of adjustability in both bikes with the telescopic seat posts that go into the seat mast. A lot of adjustability in the stems. Both of these have kind of adjustable stoker stem. And yeah, great for the whole family, tandem rallies, big events. Anyways, thanks for joining us today.